Hello student, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Shinde DH from Madhyamik Vidyalaya Varje Pune. Today we will learn chapter number 4 from Mathematics Part 1, Arithmetic Progression. Sequence. A sequence is a collection of numbers arranged in a definite order according to some definite rule. Complete the given pattern, try to find the rule to obtain next number from its preceding number. Here in the first pattern there is one circle. Now we add one circle vertically, also one circle horizontally. Then there are three circles. Again we add one circle vertically and one circle horizontally again. Then how many circles in this pattern? There are 5 circles in this pattern. Again we add in the previous pattern one circle vertically and one circle horizontally. Then how many circles in this pattern? There are 7 circles in this pattern. Also we add one circle vertically and one circle horizontally in the previous pattern. Then we get 9 circles in this pattern. Again we add one circle vertically and one circle horizontally. Then we get 11 circles in this pattern. Again we add one circle vertical and one circle horizontal in the previous pattern. Then we get here 13 circles. Every pattern is formed by adding a circle in horizontal and vertical rows to the preceding pattern. The sequence for above pattern is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, so on. Here these numbers arrange in a definite order and we add 2 circles in the previous pattern. That means we get next number, we have to add 2 in the previous number. And this is the definite rule occurs in this collection of number. Therefore, this collection of numbers is nothing but sequence. Second, in this arrangement of logs, there are 13 logs in this bottom row. There are 12 logs in second row. There are 11 logs in third row. There are 10 logs in third row, so on. The sequence of above pattern is 13, 12, 11, 10, so on. To find the next number, we have to subtract 1 from its previous number, and this pattern occurs in this arrangement of logs. What is next to 10? That means we have to subtract 1 from this 10, we will get 9. In the ladder, length of legs decreases uniformly by 2 cm from bottom to top. 15 minus 2 is 13, 13 minus 2 is 11, 11 minus 2 is 9, 9 minus 2 is 7, 7 minus 2 is 5, and 5 minus 2 is 3. That means the length of legs decreases uniformly by 2 cm from bottom to top. Here in this pattern the sequence of numbers occurs 15, 13, 11, 9. Then what is the next to the 9? That means we have to subtract 2 from the 9. We will get 7. We observe this sequence 1, 4, 7, 10, 13 and 16. Which patterns occurs in this sequence? That means we have to add 3 in the first number 1. We will get the second number 4. Also we have to add 3 in the second number. We will get the third number 7. Also we add 3 in the third number. We will get the fourth number 10. Also we have to add again 3 in the fourth number. We will get the number 13. Also we add 3 in the fifth number. We will get 16. The next term is obtained by adding 3 to the previous term. The sequence of the above pattern is 1, 4, 7, 10, 13, 16, so on. Therefore, the next number to the 16 is nothing but how much? 16 plus 3 is equal to 19. Now, in this sequence, we have to find the number after 15s. 13 is nothing but 11 plus 2 is equal to 13. 15 is nothing but 13 plus 2 is equal to 15. That means we have to add 2 in its previous number. Therefore, to find the next number of the 15, we have to add 2 in this previous number 15. 15 plus 2 is nothing but how much? 17. Also, to find the number after 17, we have to add 2 again in this 17. We will get a 19. Now, in this sequence, we have to find out the next 3 numbers after -1. Then -3 is equal to how much? We have to add to its previous number. That means -5 plus 2 is nothing but -3. Also, we have to add again 2 in the previous number -3. Therefore, -3 plus 2 is nothing but -1. Again, we have to add 2 in the previous number -1. That means -1 plus 2 is nothing but 2 minus 1 is nothing but 1. Again, we have to add 2 in the previous number 1. That means 1 plus 2 is nothing but 3. To find the next number, we have to add again 2. 3 plus 2 is nothing but 5. The similarity in this sequence is that the next term is obtained by adding a particular fixed number to the previous number. Such type of sequence is called arithmetic progression because the next number is obtained by adding a particular fixed number to the previous number. Such type of sequence is called arithmetic progression. Observe which patterns occurs in this sequence. If we multiply the first number by 4, then we get 4 4s are 16 second term. For the second term, we multiply by 4, we get the third term 64. Again, if we multiply the third term by 4, we will get the fourth term, that is 256. Again, we multiply 256 by 4, we will get the next term, that is 1024. Again, we multiply by 4 to the 1024, we get a next term, that means 4096. By multiplying each term by 4, we get the next term of the sequence, and this sequence is not an arithmetic progression, and such type of sequence is called geometric progression. In the GP, ratio of two consecutive terms always constant, that means T2 divided by T1 is equal to T3 divided by T2 is equal to constant. Terms in the sequence. Each number in a sequence is called terms of the sequence. The number in the first position is called the first term and denoted by T1. The number in the second position is called second term and is denoted by T2. Number in the nth position is called nth term and denoted by Tn. In a sequence, order terms are represented as T1, T2, T3, T4, so on, and Tn. In general, the sequence is written as Tn. Some sequences are given below. Show the position of the terms 9, 15, 21, 27, so on. Here, the first term is equal to 9. T2 is nothing but the second number. Here the second number is how much? 15. Therefore, T2 is equal to how much? 15. Here third number is 21. Therefore, T3 is equal to 21. And T4 is equal to how much? 27. The second, -2, -6, -10, -14, so on. Here, the first term is -2, second term is -6, third term is T3 is nothing but negative 10 and T4 is equal to how much? Negative 14. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel. Also like this video and share this video. Thank you.